Katega jingdawa jong ke KSU rengkat baki borsnong kadai hadin baki layo jingtip ka batikna ba katega khana ka berangkat saus nem karta la rabo deka do wenu nongnya kali jong ka company BSC and JV kabran hakinchi ya ka ba latip kartangi kum lavukush kumar na Uttar Pradesh na do ka artarik mataw bnai president ka KSU West Castle suba John F Nongsiang abai kran sekilat pathai kubor rengkat ka jingdon lang kirang bachnong ulai thu bagi lalit benya kendu yu Vijay Kumar Singh senior engineer hakabakila dawa yu ubu dei ban pa punpoi no hapo shipos ngi ya katege hybrid shu utei nong lam ulanga yathu ba ka jingle ya kendu bar ka jingai jing tho nakaleng ka company kalaplyang ye jing dawa jong ka seng rengkat ki rang bachnong hakabakila kular bakin sa ai ka jubab da bakin sa pha da ka jing tho halor katege jing dawa jong ka seng rengkat ki rang bachnong ki ba la dawa lang ya ka ni ka ju
ai da kichti ba labu po posngi dan naknya company kamla banwara itiga kena kebaja samla bat yuti u dekar bakinap nakliang jongi kirang basnong bat kaseng ke isu bat kiwi kiseng balang in penlong no daka non cooperation movement balada jaki iki nang ni khmat nakliang jong kirang basnong rukim tre isu bania simbenta neban yarab bani kaseng jongi ro nginom tensu ka jing trelang bat nakliang jong company ilai kendu mentak singi lokular ba lasahi kin sa aino ka jing menjur koi ka jing uja bat nakliang jong kirang bachnong bat kiseng balang bila dawa ban ngila penrem jur halor ka jing sakinap kini kena ke badang khat sausnem bat kini kelong ka jing penibor ka jing rabor ba krem ka jing menjur jong kimi kpa bat kini kena.
So what decision you have been taken related to that memorandum today? No?
Today, though, doesn't just I've already received this letter only. But one thing I am telling you, our meeting will go tomorrow, and we'll sit together and we'll see the issue. Of course, one thing I am telling you, some misfortunate incident have already done. So just we'll take initiative regarding this matter, and we'll take this severe action against. Which anybody is involved in such like a case that we cannot tolerate it. This is our company rule and regulation. No, I don't have any idea because particularly at that time I was in native place and this case had already happened and I was in native place. I have already come on 10th, 9th or 10th and this case have already 2 and 3 this month. So just I'm extremely sorry to share everything this time.